to Kids Show Channel.
Tom and Jerry Adventure. One calm morning, Jerry explored the dusty basement and noticed an old wooden box hidden behind broken shelves. Inside the box, Jerry found an ancient treasure map that immediately filled his heart with excitement and curiosity. Tom noticed Jerry's strange behavior and followed him quietly, believing Jerry was planning something mischievous again. Guided by the map, Tom and Jerry left the house together and began an unexpected and mysterious adventure. They entered a dark forest where tall trees, strange sounds, and hidden dangers surrounded them everywhere. Suddenly, many traps appeared, including falling logs and deep pits that tested their courage and teamwork. After crossing the traps, a huge angry bulldog suddenly charged toward Tom and Jerry fiercely. Without panicking, Tom and Jerry exchanged signals and quickly created a smart escape plan together. Using the forest traps cleverly, they trapped the bulldog and escaped safely together. During the journey, they stopped near a beautiful waterfall and watched a colorful chameleon changing colors. Friendly animals like a bull, giant panda, and a tiny chihuahua greeted Tom and Jerry peacefully. Soon, they reached a hot desert where the sun burned strongly and water was nowhere to be found. In the desert, they saw a snake, wildcat, guinea pig, reindeer, and chipmunk watching them silently. A kind porcupine appeared and offered food and water, saving them from extreme exhaustion. After resting, Tom and Jerry felt refreshed and thanked the porcupine before continuing the journey. In the middle of the desert, they discovered an old abandoned airplane covered with sand. They entered the airplane and flew toward a mysterious hidden cave shown on the map. After landing, they carefully entered a dangerous cave filled with traps and strange sounds. Jerry almost fell into a deep pit, but Tom quickly grabbed him and saved his life. At that moment, Jerry realized Tom was not an enemy, but a true and caring friend. Together, they crossed a burning bridge bravely and reached the deepest part of the cave. Inside, they found glowing words saying, "Friendship is the real treasure," instead of gold. They returned home happily as best friends, knowing teamwork makes every adventure successful. Teamwork and friendship make every adventure successful.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and follow our channel.
The rabbit and Fiona, the fish, two worlds, one friendship. Early in the morning, Benny the rabbit hopped out from his cozy burrow, enjoying the warm sunlight. Benny slowly walked to the pond, watching dragonflies zip happily above the calm water surface. Suddenly, a silver flash jumped from the water, creating ripples that surprised Benny greatly. Benny smiled and greeted the fish politely, introducing himself with excitement and curiosity. Fiona the fish swam closer, her shiny scales glowing brightly as she happily shared her name. Benny watched Fiona glide smoothly and wondered about life beneath the water surface. Benny asked if Fiona ever dreamed about seeing forests, flowers, and hopping on land. Fiona admitted she dreamed of land adventures but sadly could not leave the water. Benny felt determined and suggested helping each other explore both worlds together. Fiona worried about breathing on land, while Benny worried about swimming underwater. Benny collected long grass and carefully built a small floating raft beside the pond. He explained the plan gently, promising Fiona she would stay safely in water. Fiona climbed onto the raft, giggling as it floated softly on the pond. Benny pulled the raft along the edge, showing trees, flowers, and forest beauty. Next, Fiona invited Benny to ride gently on her back in shallow water. Fiona showed tiny fish, waving plants, and colorful stones under the water. Benny pointed out butterflies, ants, and blooming flowers along the shore. Both friends laughed loudly, learning new things and enjoying each other's worlds. They realized creativity and kindness made impossible adventures possible. As evening arrived, the pond reflected stars and the moon beautifully. Benny thanked Fiona sincerely for showing the magical underwater world. Fiona thanked Benny for sharing the beauty of land and friendship. Under the twinkling stars, Benny and Fiona promised lifelong friendship despite different worlds. Friendship, kindness, and creativity can connect even the most different worlds.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and follow our channel.
Bank robbery. Early morning sunlight filled the jungle as Crocodile and Pig quietly planned something dangerous near the old banyan tree. Both Crocodile and Pig walked confidently toward the jungle bank, pretending like normal jungle citizens. Inside the bank, Manager Bull was checking gold jewelry and counting money very carefully. Suddenly, Crocodile pulled out a gun while Pig blocked the door, shocking everyone inside the bank. Terrified but brave, Bull handed over money and jewelry to protect the jungle citizens. Crocodile and Pig escaped quickly, laughing loudly as they ran toward the jungle road. Bull immediately called the jungle police officers, Monkey and Tiger, asking for urgent help. Monkey and Tiger jumped into the police car and began chasing the thieves at full speed. Crocodile and Pig cleverly escaped by boarding a fast-moving jungle train. Even then, Monkey and Tiger followed the train using jungle shortcuts and smart driving. Thinking they were safe, Crocodile and Pig climbed into a small airplane at the airstrip. The airplane started moving, but Monkey and Tiger arrived just in time. Using teamwork, Monkey stopped the plane while Tiger surrounded the criminals bravely. Crocodile and Pig realized their mistake and dropped the stolen money and jewelry. Monkey and Tiger arrested them and took them safely to the jungle jail. The stolen money and jewelry were returned to bank manager Bull happily. Jungle citizens praised Monkey and Tiger for protecting peace and justice. The jungle learned that crime never wins, and honesty always brings safety and respect.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and follow our channel.
The Wolf in Sheep's Clothing. One peaceful morning, a clever but wicked wolf wandered alone near a wide green field. Suddenly, the wolf noticed an old sheepskin lying abandoned near a broken wooden fence. A dangerous idea entered the wolf's mind as he slowly picked up the soft sheepskin. The wolf carefully covered his body with the sheepskin, hiding his true identity completely. Disguised as a sheep, the wolf quietly entered the flock, grazing peacefully in the field. The innocent sheep accepted the disguised wolf, unaware of the danger walking beside them. Inside his heart, the wolf planned to steal a fat sheep after nightfall. As the sun set, the shepherd gathered all the sheep and locked them inside the pen. The wolf waited silently, pretending to sleep while darkness slowly covered the land. Just when the wolf felt safe, an unexpected sound echoed near the pen door. The shepherd's servant entered the pen carrying a lantern and rope. He carefully examined the sheep, searching for the fattest one for supper. By bad luck, the servant grabbed the wolf, mistaking him for a fat sheep. The wolf tried to escape, but the sheepskin betrayed his evil plan. Soon, the truth was revealed, and the wolf was taken away forcefully. That night, the shepherd and his guests prepared supper together happily. The wolf, who planned evil, met a tragic end because of his own trick. The sheep slept peacefully, and the world reminded everyone that evil never succeeds.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and follow our channel.
Time-traveling backpack adventures. One quiet afternoon, Gagan and Ritika explored the school library, curious about forgotten ancient books. Behind a row of ancient books, they discovered an old, dusty backpack glowing faintly. When Gagan placed a small compass inside, the backpack glowed brightly and shook violently. Suddenly, a bright portal opened and pulled both children into another planet. They landed on a strange planet where the alien alliance chased them aggressively. Using teamwork, Ritika activated the backpack, helping them escape just in time. The portal dropped them into the deep sea, surrounded by colorful fish and darkness. A very old and gigantic shark attacked, shaking the water violently. Gagan stayed calm and used the backpack wisely, escaping without harming anyone. Next, they landed in a dense jungle where wild animals surrounded them. Animals tried to attack, but a rescue helicopter arrived unexpectedly. The backpack sent them to the dinosaur age, where the ground trembled loudly. They escaped dangerous creatures using quick thinking and perfect teamwork. They reached an ancient civilization where scholars valued wisdom over power. The ancient scholar taught them that knowledge must always guide actions. In the future world, robots controlled cities with advanced technology. Technology created problems, teaching them responsibility and balance. When Gagan acted selfishly once, the backpack immediately glowed red. The backpack returned them home, reminding them purity of intention mattered. They understood the backpack worked only with kindness and honesty. After many adventures, they realized courage and teamwork were their true powers. Curiosity and kindness helped them learn lessons beyond any classroom. They carefully stored the backpack, promising to use knowledge wisely. Their journey proved true power comes from knowledge used with a good heart. True power comes from knowledge used with a good heart.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching.
Please don't forget to like, subscribe.
Wisdom wins over pride. In a peaceful jungle, a small black crow lived quietly, always observing the world with patience and wisdom. High above, a big and powerful eagle lived proudly, believing strength alone made him superior to everyone. The eagle often laughed at the crow's black color, small size, and simple daily activities. Though hurt inside, the crow stayed silent, choosing peace instead of arguing with the arrogant eagle. One afternoon, a dangerous snake crawled toward the crow's nest, aiming to eat the crow's eggs. Without fear, the crow bravely fought the snake, using intelligence and courage to protect its eggs. The big eagle watched everything from above, but chose not to help, feeling it was not his problem. Later, the crow built a strong nest carefully designed to survive storms and heavy winds. Meanwhile, the eagle lazily sat around, stealing food from other birds instead of working. The crow shared its food with other birds and slowly built strong friendships across the jungle. Soon, many birds respected the crow for kindness, wisdom, and helpful nature. One day, a hunter entered the jungle and began shooting birds mercilessly. The crow quickly alerted other birds, and they united together to protect themselves. All birds attacked together, confusing the hunter until he ran away in fear. The big eagle again did not help, watching selfishly from a distance. That night, all birds celebrated happily with a grand jungle party. The eagle did not join the celebration and remained alone, feeling empty inside. Soon after, a terrible storm struck, shaking trees and darkening the sky. The strong eagle tried flying through the storm, but became weak and trapped in heavy winds. The calm crow quickly thought of a smart plan to survive the dangerous storm. The crow guided the eagle to hide safely behind a rocky mountain cave. After the storm passed, the eagle realized wisdom was stronger than physical power. The eagle apologized sincerely and thanked the crow for saving his life. From that day onward, the crow and eagle lived as friends, respecting each other forever. Wisdom, kindness, and teamwork are greater than pride and strength.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe.
5 young scientists, Gagan and Hrithika, and the volcano mission. One bright morning, Gagan and Hrithika prepared their science equipment with excitement and confidence. They discussed their mission to collect lava samples for their important scientific research. Gagan and Hrithika got into their red adventure car and started driving toward the jungle. Tall trees and strange sounds surrounded them as the jungle grew denser and darker. Suddenly, a massive dinosaur appeared, shaking the ground with its powerful footsteps. Without panicking, Gagan quickly started the car while Hrithika guided him calmly. They escaped the dinosaur by speeding through narrow jungle paths skillfully. Just when they felt safe, a giant eagle suddenly swooped down from the sky. The eagle tried to grab Gagan, but Hrithika warned him immediately. Using teamwork, they sharply turned the car and escaped the eagle's attack. Far ahead, they finally saw the smoking volcano glowing with flowing lava. Carefully parking the car, they wore safety suits and prepared sample containers. As they approached the volcano, the ground began to shake violently. An unexpected explosion sent lava bursting into the air dangerously. At the same moment, the dinosaur and giant eagle returned angrily. Thinking fast, Gagan grabbed the lava sample while Hrithika watched carefully. The dinosaur slipped on molten rocks and fell into the volcano. The giant eagle lost balance in hot air and followed the same fate. With danger gone, Gagan and Hrithika ran back to the car quickly. They drove through burning land, avoiding lava streams skillfully. Smoke filled the air, but their focus never broke. Finally, they entered the safe jungle area away from the volcano. They stopped the car and checked the lava sample with excitement. Gagan smiled proudly, knowing their mission was successful. Hrithika happily recorded notes for future scientific research. They discussed how teamwork helped them survive every danger.
Saved us from every danger. Look at this.
The jungle slowly returned to peace after the chaos. Gagan and Hrithika drove back, dreaming of new discoveries. They knew science required courage, intelligence, and responsibility. Their lava sample would help many scientists understand volcanoes better. The adventure became a proud memory for both young scientists. With bravery and smart thinking, Gagan and Hrithika proved science heroes can be kids too. Courage, teamwork, and knowledge can overcome even the greatest dangers.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment,
And a story of loss. Long before today, before parents and teachers were born, two children lived quietly on a countryside farm. Dark forests and crystal lakes surrounded their farm, and the children loved skating and forest adventures. In spring, the brother climbed cherry trees, dropping fruit gently into his sister's waiting hands. Even when cherries were gone, the brother climbed trees daily, watching the empty road silently. "Can you see him?" the sister asked, hoping their soldier father would finally return. The girl never met her father because he left to fight before she was born. Their mother explained how a hateful leader began a terrible war with twisted lies. When news came that war ended, the little girl believed happiness would finally return. One day, soldiers appeared wearing unfamiliar uniforms, tanks roaring behind them loudly. The family was forced out, carrying only a few belongings and one lonely doll. A young soldier climbed a cherry tree and gifted ripe cherries kindly to the children. They joined thousands of homeless people walking west with fear and hunger. Food was scarce, and the mother stole potatoes to keep her children alive. Their escape route closed, leaving only the frozen sea as hope. Planes bombed the ice, but they crossed with trembling steps. They reached Berlin, now only broken ruins and shattered buildings. The children shared cold soup made from a dead horse to survive. Eventually, the girl reached England and built a new life safely. Her homeland vanished from maps, but memories remained forever.
Childhood memories.
Each year, the poppy reminded her family of war and sacrifice. She never knew the soldier's name, but remembered his kindness forever. She believed that soldier also missed his own children far away. That small act of kindness gave hope for a kinder future for all. Even in war, kindness can survive and give hope to the world.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and follow our channel.
Like, subscribe, share, comment.